So can you use Shockwave for a frozen shoulder? My name is Dr. Ron Miller. I'm one of the specialists here at Pursuit Physiotherapy. And if you're suffering with frozen shoulder, dealing with it, you already know that it's a complex case and it may take weeks and months and even years to even get better from a frozen shoulder, because we truly don't know the root cause of what really causes a frozen shoulder. But the two things that we do know here that we're seeing clinically yet is, one, if you treat the neck and the shoulder, you go through the thawing phase faster. We've been able to show, instead of taking 6 to 8 months to get someone better, we're actually getting patients better in 3 to 4 months by treating the neck in combo with the shoulder. For some reason, there's some sort of connection. Just think of it as the nerves are coming out of the neck that innervate the shoulder. So the number one thing that we like to do with our frozen shoulder patients is treat the neck in combo with the shoulder with our frozen shoulder patients. Two, recently we've been starting to use frozen Shockwave with our frozen shoulder patients. And we've been able to get patients better faster in fewer sessions. So we'll put you on a stretch within your available range of motion and be able to shockwave the capsule to help, in theory, loosen it up, help heal the tissue, help increase some of the flexibility in that shoulder. And we've been able to really help our frozen shoulder patients get better faster in fewer sessions. The third thing, kind of like a little clinical pearl in there, there's a new technique by a lot of these regen medicine physicians that do a hydrodilation, where they'll inject the capsule with a saline solution of some sort of, with a little bit of medication in there. And think of it like a balloon. You're just inflating the balloon a little bit to increase the range of motion. So we don't do that here. That's done by a lot of regen medicine physicians and stuff like that, but that's a new treatment technique that works phenomenal also with frozen shoulder patients. But as we get back to the story here, the two main things that we like to do now with a lot of our frozen shoulder patients is treat the neck and add in Shockwave. So if you're interested in getting Shockwave for your frozen shoulder, or to find out more information about our treatment approach, you can visit us at pursuittherapy.com or give us a call today at 407-494-8835. Thank you.